This is question 5 from the workbook. So first of all, we've got to find the perimeter of this badge. So the badge here in the question is this shaded part of this rhombus, which we've got. And we're given also that the angle here, BAC, is measured in radians, and that's 0.9 radians there. So first thing we need to do is find the perimeter of the badge. So we can see that we've got two sides which are given, so 8 and 8 millimeters. So we just need to find this this arc of this sector. So we know because it's a rhombus, we also know this side is going to have the same angle, so this is going to be 0.9. And so the arc length, BC, is going to be given by the formula which we had before, which is just r theta. So in our case, we've got the radius is 8 and the angle measured in radians is 0.9. So if we multiply them together, then we get 7.2. That's our arc length, which is 7.2 millimeters. And so the perimeter is just going to be adding that onto the two sides, which are 8. So we've got 7.2 plus 8 plus 8. And so we get 23.2 millimeters. So that's part A. And then part B, got to find the area of the badge. So what we've got to consider is we've got this rhombus, which is basically two triangles, and we've also got this this sector here, which is OBC. So if we take away the sector from the area of the rhombus, then that will give us the remaining area, which is the shaded part, which is what we're after. So area of the badge, ABC, is going to be equal to the area of the rhombus OBAC minus the area of the sector, which is OBC. So for the rhombus, which I'll do up here, we consider it as two triangles. So we've got these two triangles like this, and OBAC, where we know this angle, 0.9. So really we can find the total area by doubling area OBC. So that area is going to be, in this case, 2 times the formula for the area of a triangle, which is going to be, since that's 8, it's going to be 2 times 8 times 8, the two sides, multiplied by the sine of the angle in between, sine 0.9. And if we calculate that, that's going to be 64 sine 0.9, which gives us 50.133. And if we also find the area of the sector, then the sector is going to be, finding the formula for that one, it's going to be half r squared theta. So if I just draw part of the shape above, we've got OBC, and that's 8. So the radius is 8, and this angle is 0.9. So we can say for the area of the sector, then it's equal to half times 8 squared times the angle 0.9. And that gives us 28.8. So if we get the total area then, or the required area, the area of the shaded area of the badge, and that's going to be the 50.133 for the rhombus, minus the 28.8 for the sector, and that gives us 21.33. And that's going to be millimeters squared. And that's it.